Dragon Chat is a peer support group for both men and women at Wrexham AFC. We run on evenings and it's a safe place for people to come and speak and talk about their thoughts, their feelings, but also we have good chat about football along the way and life in general and whatever comes up in topics. We've got the sessions on Thursday evenings between 7 and 8:30, so we've got that hour and a half, and we split that up into two halves. So we've got like a football game, it's 45 minutes for the mental well-being and looking after each other, and then 45 minutes for the football talks. And then we run walk and talk sessions on match days before the game, and it's just a walk around the park, a couple of laps, and it's just an opportunity for people to come and connect, talk about the game, and just generally for friendship. And I mean, loneliness I think is the theme for this year's World Mental Health Awareness Week, and loneliness is a big factor, and we've seen a lot of the loneliness coming about due to COVID and the pandemic.
We decided to set up the Dragon Chat for Women's group following the success of the males group. We felt it was important for the female fans to have the same opportunity. We know that connecting with other people that have similar interests to us is vital for our mental health, and having that weekly safe space to discuss life in general and our beloved Wrexham AFC has really been beneficial to many of our members, and some have said how grateful they are to have a safe space where they can talk freely about football without feeling any judgment.
I started going on Dragon Chat in the very beginning, which was about 2 years ago now. I was at the point then when I couldn't even leave the front door. My anxiety was terrible. So I just seen it in the paper one day and thought I'll have a go at that. Obviously met Steve, didn't know him before. I was looking forward to it on a Thursday, you know, and it just gives you a break from the anxiety and that, and you know, and knowing that it wasn't just me on my own. Other people are suffering the same. I just thought it was me.
I think football unites everybody, as we know, and I think that our love of Wrexham Football Club already gives us a connection, and people can come along, look at, and it's easy to kind of integrate in and talk in, and we've got such a great group of people who come along. And for me, it's being there, it's helping people, and you know, the pleasure I get is seeing people kind of go into the racecourse who wouldn't perhaps have gone to the racecourse previously. It's just such a huge thing.
Dragon Chat started it all. It made me think, right, can I do other things now? So I was like testing myself for things and that, you know. It changed my life basically, so I'd advise it to anyone.